Wow, that actually worked really good. Holy cow. Cleaning the headliner in your car can be a pain in the butt. You can't remove it to clean it. They're a little bit more sensitive, say, than a seat because they're glued in. So you gotta be careful with how much moisture you use. And my least favorite part is the thing's upside down. You're craning your neck, having to work above your head. It's kind of annoying. Now, if you're following along with this car flip, you know from our video that we made on the back seats how nasty they were. And whatever it was that was going on back here made its way up onto the headliner. I don't know, it's like maybe a tomato sauce or like blood or chocolate. Some pretty serious stains. So instead of the standard upholstery cleaner from the auto parts store, I think I'm going to try something a little bit more strong. So what I'm going to be trying today is the Folex carpet spot cleaner. And I've had a lot of success with this on carpets, and I have friends that are in the carpet cleaning business that swear by it, but I've never tried it on upholstery or headliners before. You don't have to rinse it out when you spray it on, which is great for doing headliners. And it does say it can be used on upholstery already. So I'm really hoping that this product works faster than normal upholstery cleaners, so I spend less time like this. All right, so I'm just gonna start with a little spot in this corner that's less visible, just in case this does something weird I wanna know. And I'm gonna just lightly spray it on, not too much because I don't want it to soak through to the glue that's holding this headliner on. So I just wanna wet the surface. I'm gonna let that soak for 30 seconds. Scrubbing this a little bit. Wow, that actually worked really good. Holy cow. And it didn't discolor anything in that spot, so I'm gonna do a bigger section now. Now, I'm not rubbing super hard, but I am giving it a little scrub. You can see all this junk on the rag that's coming off the headliner. Some of these spots just come like off in one swipe. Amazing. Small stuff is disappearing really fast. These spots right here are being a little tough, so I'm gonna hit those again. These spots are about 85% there. Probably gonna hit them again, and then I'm just gonna go over the rest of this. Guys, if you're liking this video, you are not gonna wanna miss out on the rest of this car flip restoration, so make sure you subscribe to Budget Mechanic. Essentially what I'm trying to do is just wipe the stains off of the synthetic yak wool. I think that's what Hyundai's use, is a synthetic yak. I figure I might as well clean this little panel here with some interior spray. So I am super stoked at how the headliner turned out on this. The Folex, I felt like, allowed me to go way faster than a normal upholstery cleaner would have. And if you're interested in getting some, we'll put the link in the description. There were some tough spots that didn't come 100% of the way out, but for this flip, I am more than happy. And it no longer looks like someone was murdered in the back of this car. Hey, if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out the other one we made where we cleaned the back seats of this car, which were super nasty. The transformation was amazing, so check it out right here.